Morning, dear students. I am Falguni Pal from Little Flowers Academy Higher Secondary School. I hope you will be all well and good during this COVID-19 period. We have to stay home and stay safe. Today I am going to teach you phrase. What is a phrase? Group of words. It is having no subject verb combination. Isn't have meaning if used alone. If used in a sentence, has a unique meaning. I repeat again, listen it carefully. Group of words. It is no subject verb combination. Isn't have meaning if used alone, but if used in a sentence has a unique meaning. Let's understand this quality with an example. A beautiful home. Okay. A beautiful home. Now, is it the group of word? Yes, it is. This group of words having subject and verb? No. No subject verb combination is there. If it making a sense while using alone, who a group of word beautiful home, we are able to understand we are talking about home, but it is conveying meaning and thought. No, has no meaning if used alone. Let me use the group of word used in a sentence. I built a beautiful home. I built a beautiful home. Is this group of words now conveying any meaning? Yes, it is. So a beautiful home satisfies all four conditions and hence it is a phrase. Now let's look into type of phrases. There are 5 different kind of phrase, each on them based on part of speech. First, noun phrase. Second, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase or prepositional phrase. First, noun phrase. Noun phrase. A phrase acts like a noun in the sentence is called a noun phrase. It contains noun plus other associate words which modifies the noun. Example, a woman in the window shouted for help. Here, a woman in the window is a noun phrase, as woman is a noun, in the window is just a describing noun. She bought a decent black shirt. A decent black shirt is a noun phrase. As a describe of shirt, it is a noun. Then next, verb phrase. Verb phrase. A group of main verb and helping verb within a sentence. For example, she has finished her work. Here, has finished is a verb phrase. Finished is the main verb and has is helping verb. You should study for exam. Here, should study verb phrase, as study is a main verb and should is a helping verb. Next, adjective phrase. One or more words work together give more information about an adjective. So, for example, I am very happy with this work. Happy is an adjective. Very is just a helping word for happy. Is that adjective phrase. The cost of the car is way too high. Here, high is the adjective and way too is just the helping, the main verb high. Is just adjective phrase. Next, adverb phrase. One or more words work together to give information about an adverb. What does adverb do? Adverb phrases modifies verb. For example, they ran really fast. Here, fast is an adverb and really just providing more information about the fast. So, really fast is an adverb here. He drank the milkshake much quicker. Quicker is an adjective and much is just describing the word. So, much quicker is an adverb phrase. Next, prepositional phrase. One or more words work together to give information about preposition. It inform about time, location of position or condition. For example, he is sleeping on the carpet. Here, on is the preposition, on the carpet is the whole preposition phrase. He always is speak in a loud voice. In is a preposition and loud voice is whole prepositional phrase. All are about prepositional phrase. I have just explained into a short video. I will deeply explain its type in the next video. I am sending the notes to you. You also have to note in the copy. So thank you so much.